There are plenty of ERP systems to choose from in the marketplace, but how do you choose the best one, and what are the best ERP systems out there? That's what I want to talk about here today. My name is Eric Kimberling. I'm the CEO of Third Stage Consulting. We're an independent consulting firm that helps clients throughout the world reach their third stage of digital transformation success. And every year, if you've been following my YouTube channel, we publish our top 10 ERP systems for the year. And it's that time of year where we need to start looking at what are the top 10 ERP systems for 2025. And this is a particularly interesting and exciting year to do this top 10 ranking. In fact, so much so that there's been quite a shakeup in our top 10 ranking due to a number of factors, one of which is a change in methodology. We've changed the way we've ranked the top 10 systems to focus not only on quantitative factors like average cost, functionality, things of that nature, but we also look at intangibles, things such as implementation time frame, risk, and just overall implementation success, the ecosystem supporting each of these products. And then thirdly, the other big change is that we've also looked outside the realm of our own experience and our own research, and we've drawn from other data sources and consolidated them and provided a sort of weighted ranking based on both third stage knowledge and experience as well as other independent sources that combine to create this top 10 list. So what I want to do today is jump into what are those top 10 systems, what are the big changes from last year, and what are the top systems you should be considering as you look to your digital transformation in 2025 and beyond. Now, in addition to this top 10 list, it's worth calling out 3 honorable mentions. These are 3 systems that you can make a strong argument for being in the top 10 list and maybe replacing 3 that we have in the list. One of those is Sage X3. Sage X3 has not yet made our top 10 list, but it's always been right on the cusp and right on the border. And Sage X3 is great for small and mid-market organizations that are looking for an alternative to some of the bigger solutions. And it's also good for organizations that are looking for an alternative to, say, a NetSuite or an Acumatica, which were on our top 10 list. Sage X3 might be a good alternative if you're a smaller mid-market company and you're looking for another option to look at. Another honorable mention goes to Microsoft D365 Business Central. Now, we know that D365 F&O was number 1 on our list, but Business Central is a different product that did not make our top 10 list, but you can make a strong argument that it should. And the reason for that is because it's a cloud-based solution that Microsoft has owned for a long time now. It competes fairly well with NetSuite, and it's a great alternative for small and mid-market companies that are looking for an ERP system that's right-sized for their organization. And finally, the third honorable mention goes to Aptean. And Aptean is probably the one vendor in all these discussions we've had here today that people have not heard of. A lot of people have not heard of Aptean. And that's because it owns a number of different products that are focused primarily on manufacturing and distribution, and a lot within food and beverage in particular. And so I would consider Aptean sort of a sleeper or a hidden gem within the ERP space, and that's something you may want to look at if you're in the manufacturing and distribution space especially. So these are 3 honorable mentions you may want to consider.